everybody, and that was my new intro. Hopefully you enjoyed that intro, because I did. So hopefully you enjoyed that intro, because I really did. I'm so happy that I could make that intro. But that intro was made because I finally got 3 subscribers. And because my name is Lizard Man, I thought you'd look at some lizards. Oh, they're so cute! They're so cute! Oh, he's so cute! He looks so cuddly. That one doesn't. No. Alright, family friendly. Alright. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute and cuddly, and you're so cute and beautiful. Oh, this one is going up, and it's so cute. But I'm just doing this because this is, oh my word, he's so cute. I'm doing this because I just congratulating me to get to three subscribers. And here's this little cute one. Oh, he's so cute. I want to hug him, but he looks so spiky at the same time. Look at all these. Okay, that's important. What is with that? Oh, that one looks awesome. Not cute, awesome. Oh, so tiny and cute. And that one looks awesome. So that's it for now. I just wanted to do this to congratulate me to get to 3 subscribers. And because I got to 3 subscribers, I'm going to type up 3 Liz. Oh. I don't know what that is, but this is how I record everything. This is screencast. That's an O-matic. And this is a space right there. See, it's right here, screencast O-matic. You don't need to really put those little things there. But it is completely free. All you need to do is press launch recorder. It is already open because I'm using that right now to record it. So, yeah. This is going to be my shortest video so far, but this is just going to be showing my intro. So, hopefully you enjoy. Comment down below what I should do. What else should I do? Because I just made this video because I was bored, and also I made an intro. So hopefully you enjoy this video. I enjoyed it. So please give this video a like. Maybe, just maybe, we can get to 3 likes. Okay? So this is it for now. So hopefully you enjoy. Don't forget, maybe you can join me on Roblox. Because all you need to do is type up Lizardman6 on Roblox, because I don't really play too much on my Super Lizard Mod. I don't really play that too much, because that was supposed to be my YouTube channel one, but I don't really play on that one. I usually play on Lizardman6. So just go on Roblox, and if you want to friend me, Lizardman6, boom. So that's it for now. So goodbye. Oh wait, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, please. And my next subscriber goal is 6 subscribers. So that's it for now. So bye.